So today we'll see Connie's method for frames. See, basically frames are two types. Frames are two types. Number one, non-sway frames. Number two, sway frames. So we'll learn how to analyze these two kinds of frames in detail. So first, non-sway frames, okay? That means there is no lateral displacement. Generally, if structure is symmetric, and loading is symmetric, the lateral displacement will be absent. Okay. So let us start these non-sway frames first. Example.
Sir, ఒక్కసారి previous slide పెట్టరా?
Okay. Raskunarma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose this is 3 meters columns, this is 4 meter, and there is a symmetric loading like this. 20 kilonewtons. 2 meter. Everything is same moment of inertia I, okay, REA. Okay. A, B, C, D. So, as usual, the process is as usual. Joint B, C joint, spans are BA, BC, CB, CD. So stiffnesses are BA 4A by 3, BC 4A by 4, CB 4A by 4, CD 4A by 3. So sigma K 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. This also same. So actually distribution factors are 4 by 7, 3 by 7. Here also 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Then rotation factors minus half of that, that is minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 14, minus 3 by 14, minus 2 by 7. Okay, these are the rotation factors. So now the table. table will be like this. Fixed moments 20 into 4 by 8, that is minus 10 plus 10. As column is not carrying any loads, fixed moments for columns will be 0. So now these factors are, rotation factors are for BA minus 2 by 7, BA minus 2 by 7, BC minus 3 by 14, CB minus 3 by 14, CD minus 2 by 7. So some of the fixed moments are joints, minus 10 plus 10. So now what is minus 2 by 7 into minus 10? How much?
2.857.
2.857.
2.857. I will write here BA's moments here. I will write 2.857. Okay. I will write here for BC span minus 3 by 10 into minus 3 by 14 into minus 10.
$2.143.
Okay. Here minus 2 by 7 into 10. Minus 2.857 minus 3 by 14 into 10 minus 2.143. Now next step, next cycle, minus 2 by 7 multiplied by bracket open minus 10 minus 2.143. So far end moment also needs to be added to the fixed and some of the fixed moments at a joint. Okay, that means minus 10 should be added with the minus 2.143 and multiply with the minus 2 by 7. How much?
3.469.
469. Okay, next. Similarly, minus 3 by 14 multiplied by bracket open minus 10 minus 2.143.
2.602.
602. Okay.
First cycle lo current movement తీసుకోమా సార్
469.
Minus 3.469.
469.
ఒక్కటి చెప్పండి. Similarly here minus 3 by 14 into 10 plus 2.143.
Minus 2.602.
2.602. 602. Okay, next cycle, second cycle. Minus 2 by 7 into bracket open minus 10 minus 2.602.
3.600.
Okay, here minus 3 by 14 into bracket open minus 10 minus 2.602.
2.70.
70?
0.
700. Okay. Next, here minus 2 by 7 into 10 plus 2.7.
3.628.
Minus ma?
Next sir.
Minus 3.628. Okay, then minus 3 by 14 into 10 plus 2.7.
Minus 2.721.
Okay, then here minus 2 by 7 into minus 10 plus minus 2.721.
3.634.
Then here minus
2.725.
Then here minus 3 point.
Six three six.
636. Then here minus 2 point.
726.
727.
Okay. Next cycle,
3.636.
636. Okay, here 2.727.
727.
Here minus 3.636, right? Minus 2.727. Okay. Now, how to find final moments? MAB equal to, see, MFAB 0, near end rotation 0. So 2 into near end rotation moment, far end rotation moment. How much for this column? 3.636. That equal to finally 3.636 only. Similarly, MBA fixed moment 0, 2 times of near end moment 3.636 plus 0, that equal to 7 point 7 point
7.2.
272.
272. MBC fixed moment is minus 10 plus 2 times of near end moment 2.727 plus far end moment minus 2.727, which is equal to
7.273.
minus. Okay. Similarly, MCB 10 plus 2 times of near end moment minus 2.727 plus far end moment plus 2.727, which is equal to how much?
7.273.
Next, MCD. CD column fixed moment 0, 2 times of near end, that is minus 3.636 plus far end 0 equal to minus 7.272. MDC 0 plus near end 0, far end minus 3.636, that equal to minus 3.636. These are the moments. So it is quite similar to Carney's method of beams, right? Okay. So finally we got correct results only. Okay. So just what we did here, the span, the beam span doubled and the other end fixed. Okay. So while doing that, we got same results. So the logic behind that we will see. For symmetrical frames and symmetrical loading, suppose this is H, this is H, this is L. Suppose on the beam, suppose if you have some M moment is there here like this, obviously here also M moment will be there. Okay. We are talking about beam. So M moment, same means obviously the bending moment diagram will be like this. This is the bending moment diagram. M dividing with EI, this is the curvature diagram. So suppose the deflected shape may be something like this. Obviously at center slope will be 0. At center exactly slope will be 0, and here at end theta you can find the end theta by using moment area theorem 1, this area represents the theta. So theta equal to here now, this L by 2, m by I into L by 2. That means m by theta equal to 2 EI by L. M by theta is 2 EI by L. So the rotation stiffness of this beam is how much? 2 EI by L. Rotational stiffness of this beam is 2 EI by L. Now suppose if you substitute this frame like this, what happens we will see. Let us assume this is H and this is 2L. Fix it here. Okay. Suppose you apply M moment here. So if you apply M moment, what would be the theta here? You know, for fixed end, if you apply M here, the theta, you know, the M by theta relation, you know already. Suppose this is theta, M by theta equal to, you know, far end is fixed means 4 EI by L kind of thing is there now. 4 EI by L, stiffness is 4 EI by L. 4 EI divided by L is here 2L, which is equal to 2 EI by L. So stiffness not changing, just by doubling the span of the beam. Okay, we can maintain the stiffness same. So rotational stiffness will be same. That's why we will get correct answers. So this is one simplified method for symmetrical frames. Okay, for symmetrical frames, always we can go for this kind of simplification. Keeping fixed moments and all same, just have a span of the beam as double. Okay, double of the original, so that you can get same results. Okay, that you can see here in previous problem. Instead of 4 meters, just we made it 8 meters to compute that stiffnesses and all. And of course, we need to have that same fixed moments to calculate these values and all. So stiffnesses will change here. Finally, you will get correct final end moments.
B 1/22.
BE 1/20. Yeah, minus 1/22. Okay. Now, what to do? Minus 25 into 5 by 11, 1/12, how much? Minus 25 into 1/12.
10.416.
10.416. What about minus 25 into 5/12? Minus 5/12. Minus plus 125/12.
Sir, are 10.146.
The 2.08, sir.
And the
2.083.
08. This one is 10.416. 416. Okay, here 37.5 into minus 1/11.
1/22.
Emma? 1/22 now. Okay. Here 1/22. Okay. How much, ma? Minus 37.5 to minus 1/22.
1.704.
704. Okay. And here minus 37.5 to minus 5/22.
8.523.
8.523. Here also 8.523. So that's all. Now we can find final moments. MAB equal to MAB. Fixed moment 0, 2 times of near end moment 0 plus far end moment for that column 8.523 equal to 8.523. Then MBA, fixed moment 0, 2 times of 8.523 foreign moment 0, which is equal to
17.046.
0,
46.
46. Next, MBE. MBE, fixed moment is minus 37.5 plus 2 times of near end moment is 1.704 foreign 0 equal to minus
Minus 33.642.
642.
2.
642. MBC.
34.092, sir.
ఏదమ్మా
MBE.
MBE is up. Okay. 34 minus 34.092.
092.
Okay. MBC 0 plus 2 times of 8.523 plus foreign moment 10.416 equal to
27.462.
27 point something wrong. 27.460. Some of the moments 0 అవ్వాలి కదా. Minus 37.5 plus 2 times of 1.704 foreign 0 minus 34. BA 0 plus 2 times of 8.523. See, these are wrong actually. So first we did at support C, right? Then while doing here, we should consider this also. Foreign moment. Now minus minus 37.5 should be added with 10.416 foreign moment and multiply with these factors and tell me. Minus 37.5 plus 10.416 resultant multiplied by these factors, rotation factors. So we forgot actually to take this 10.416 foreign moment. Minus 37.5 plus 10.416 add together and apply rotation factors.
1.231.
1.231. Then here
6.155.
Okay, 6.155. 6.155 and here also I'll write here for this 6.155. Okay, next cycle minus 25 plus 6.155 and corresponding factors. Minus 25 plus 6.155 and corresponding factors. So for CB, B is foreign, that's why.
$1.570.
1.570 and here
7.85.
Emma
7.85.
7.850. Okay. Next cycle. Minus 37.5 plus 7.85 and corresponding factors.
Minus 1.347.
347.
Plus, sir. Plus 1.34.
Okay. And here?
$6.738.
73?
8, sir.
Okay, 6.738. Next cycle. Minus here 6 point, here also 6.738 because of this one, same factor. Okay. Next, minus 25 plus 6.738 and corresponding factors.
Minus 1.52.
Minus
Plus
1.
1.5.
5?
2.1.
5 to 1. And then here
7.609.
609. Okay, next cycle, third cycle here. Minus 37.5 plus 7.609
Plus 1.358.
358.
8.
Okay, here
6.793.
793. 6.793. Okay. So we'll close here. So now MAB equal to 0 plus 2 times of 0 plus 6.793 equal to 6.793. MBA 0 plus 2 into 6.793 plus 0.
13.58.
58?
6.
586 MBA. MBE fixed moment minus 37.5 plus 2 times of near end moment 1.358, foreign moment 0, which is equal to
30.7.
Emma?
Minus 34.784.
34.784. Okay. MBE. Next MBC. Fixed moment 0, 2 times of near end moment 6.793, foreign moment 7.609 equal to
21.195.
21.195 MBC. Then MCB. Fixed moment 0 plus 2 times of near end 7.609 plus far end 6.793.
22.011.
MCD fixed moment minus 25 plus near end moment 2 times of near end moment 1.521, far end 0.
Minus 21.96.
9
6.
minus 21.96. So the small error will be there because we stopped at 3 iterations itself. That's why. Otherwise, we could get still better answers. Okay. Finally, we can mark all these values. Okay, here 6.793 clockwise, 6.793 MBA 13.586. In beam anti-clockwise 34.784. 784, BC 21.195, CB 22.011, anti-clockwise 21.96 something. Okay. So similarly, opposite side you can mark. Okay, just opposite side, similar way. Okay, just here AB means here FE same. Here clockwise means here anti-clockwise 6.793. Here anti-clockwise 13.586. Here anti-clockwise means here clockwise 34.784. Here clockwise means here anti-clockwise 21.195. Here anti-clockwise 22.011. Here clockwise 21.96 something. Okay. So like this is one of the simplifications. Okay. Just by doubling the span using the same fixed moments, we can analyze and we can get the values quickly. Okay, exactly, almost exactly. If you can do little more, I mean 2 more iterations, you could get still better answer. Okay. Okay. మీకు స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందా? మీకు నా కంప్యూటర్ స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. సో మనకు 2+2 కదా హైట్ 2 హారిజాంటల్ ఎంత ఉంది 5 మీటర్సా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we can add copy paste. Okay, y direction we need to give 2 meters. Okay. Okay, and join geometry, add beam point to point like this. This is the structure, and support define, create, fixed, add, close. Support. Okay, support, select and choose these 2 nodes and assign. Okay, then property, some property you give for this. Define rectangle, some 0.2 by some 0.4, add. So assign to view total for all structure, all sections assign. Okay, assigned. Then loads, define some load, something load case, some live load case, add, close, then load case, new, load items, member load, uniform force, UDL. Okay, that is minus how much? Minus means downward. Minus how much you have given? 12, right? 12, and one more thing, 18, I think. 18, add. Okay, this 12 should be on top, I think. This 12, assign to selected, assign, yes. Then this one for this member, assign. Okay, labels, scales, force, define, give, apply. The scale actually. So now you can see the structure and loading. Okay, analysis and print, all, add, close. Now analyze, run analysis, save. Okay, done. Now post processing. Okay, and beam graphs. See, what is this value? Minus 6.8 for 13.8. How much we got? Yeah, at A, how much we got?
6.793.
6.79.
793.
Okay, here 6.84. And other end,
13.586.
13.8. Very near. Okay. Here, beam 34.7 we got here. Exact.
Yes,
Exact.
sir.
Our answer is
34.784.
okay. For this 20.9 we got here at this end. Bottom end
21.195.
21 point. Okay, 20.9, 21. Top end how much?
22.011.
Oh, that means 21.8. So 21.8. Okay. So almost similar values we got. Almost 95% accuracy we got with the 3 steps itself. Okay. That is the power of our Connie's method. Okay. So clear kada ikkadi varaku? How can you design this BE beam? Okay. Suppose that BE beam is carrying like this, right? Load. What is the load here? 18 kilonewton per meter. This anti-clockwise moment 34.784. Here also 34.784. Okay. Then reactions 5 meters. 90 means 45, 45. So our bending moment diagram will be like this. Negative, negative, positive. So this is 34 point some 8 rounding. I am rounding to one digit decimal. 34.8. This total is WL square by 8. This value WL square by 8 means W 18 L square 5 square by 8. How much?
Fifty-six point
56.25.
25.
So 56.25 minus 34.8. What is the maximum bending moment here? Center. 56.25 minus 34.8.
21.45.
21.45. See, now if you want to design this beam, okay, you need to design this beam for this moment. Okay, for this 21 positive reinforcement of 21.45, negative reinforcement of 34.8. That means so these are columns extensions. Okay, I am talking about this beam. Okay, the beam reinforcement. The beam reinforcement generally you provide like this. example I am telling you. Suppose this may be, so this bar may be 3 numbers of 12 dia. This may be 2 numbers of 12 dia extra at center. The straight bars, this may be 2 numbers of 16 dia, and this may be 1 bar of 12 dia extra. This also may be 1 bar of 12 extra. Based on shear force, we need to provide stirrups like this. Okay, like this we'll provide stirrups. The stirrup spacing and all we need to mention. Okay. So for design this one, for design of this RCC beam, we need to analyze first. So for that analysis, this Cornish method is very much useful for us. Okay.